since he was enrolled in EduReach, he believed in himself, and I can see the difference, definitely a big difference in him. Every lessons, when he came back home, he will tell me stories, what he went through, and what do the teachers actually motivate him. And that's where I can see slowly he actually changed. His attitude towards his studies also changed. He managed to do his time management, and the best thing is he believed in himself.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, my name is Rahimi Amsha. I was from P5 standard and dropped to foundation this year. My parents were worried for me and they enrolled me into EduReach last year November. It has been a challenging year for me, but all my tutors, Mr. Azlan, Madam Karyani, and Madam Shah, have been a great help and always encouraged me with positive words. Today, it has been emotional and the most happy moment for me and my family. Not only I managed to go to my dream school, St. Gabriel.
Welcome to realityside.com. We listen, we write, and we try to make the world a better place. Today we have our journalist on the field bringing us the news. Over to you, Anik.
Hi, my name is Anik. I'm working for the Straits Times. So for news today, we have